Gondor Sandwich Biscuit Machine. Food grade 304 stainless steel. Apply a variety of fillings. Adjust machine speed and temperature. With adjustable for different cookie shapes. With heat preservation function, ensure the flow of the filling. The discharge speed is adjustable. Can dispense multiple fillings. High degree of automation. Precise and uniform filling. The biscuit and filling blend perfectly. Ensure even sandwich volume. Flexible adaptation to multiple products. Arrange biscuits neatly for easy packaging. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability. Innovation, precision.